Welcome to the Sage 300 Extender Developer Series. I'm Bassam Naoud, and in this playlist, I'm going to teach you how to customize Sage using Extender from simple no-code workflows all the way to advanced Python scripts, custom screens, automation, and real-world integration.
You will learn exactly how to build validation, create custom tables, design screens, automate tasks, integrate external data, and even build full approval workflows all inside Sage 300. This series is practical, hands-on, and designed for consultant, developers, and power users who want to take Sage 300 to the next level without the complexity of SDK development. So, if you're ready to master Extender and unlock the full power of Sage 300, hit the like button, subscribe, and let's get started.